Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the DCN cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the DCN cable from the routing channel on the motherboard. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the DCN connector bracket to the top cover. Lift the DCN bracket off the DCN module and remove. Carefully release the DCN module from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the DCN module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.